Hazrat Abu Sa'id bin Mu'alla radiyallahu anhu says, one day when I was performing the prayer in the Masjid Nabawi, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam called me, but I did not respond to him. After performing the prayer, I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I was performing the prayer. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, has Allah Jalla Jalaluhu not said, respond to the calling of Allah and Apostle when the Apostle calls you? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said to me, should not I tell you the chapter that is the most excellent chapter in the Quran before you leave the mosque? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then held my hand, and when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam intended to go out, I submitted. Did not you tell me to teach me such a chapter as is the most excellent chapter in the Quran? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it is Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, which is the 7 oft repeated verses comprising 7 verses of the Holy Quran which has been bestowed on me. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4474.